What do you say?
And you hear that? Quiet now, everybody, quiet.
There na. Hi guys, this is Jill and I'm with and welcome back to our
Channel.
For today's video, we will share to you something that you can give to your moms this Mother's Day. It's a DIY activity that you can do with your kids, right, Sadie?
Yeah.
So what are you going to give mommy this Mother's Day?
Flowers.
Very good. So let's begin.
Yes.
Okay, what do we need?
Flowers, water, scissors,
And
food coloring,
food coloring. And what are the colors?
blue,
Blue,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow, and
red.
red. Very good. Okay, so you're going to help mommy. So first is you're going to remove the
Leaves.
leaves. Okay, I'll just put it here. So we're going to cut the stem diagonally.
I put this here long.
Mommy, no. So like this. Here. You hold it first.
I know I need to cut one here.
Do you like the flowers?
Yes.
Good. Okay, we'll cut this again. Okay, put it there.
It's so very long.
This one, this one's yours.
And I need to put it there.
Show it to them. Very nice.
I can't see, but it's so far.
Okay, go there. Careful, do not touch the phone.
I see it.
It's very nice.
Oh, wow, this is like a flower.
Can you count how many? Can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, but my hands is so full of lemon. I'm going to put a little.
What's the color of the flower?
Red, white.
What's your favorite color?
Pink, red, plenty colors, and
Lots of
red
colors. Yeah, but we don't have pink. We only have
and
red
purple.
and
I
purple.
like
Yeah, we
plenty
don't have
colors
purple
also.
also.
And plenty colors also.
Okay, I'm done.
Look, pink is this one looks like purple.
This one.
Yeah,
And
this
it's
one.
color blue.
But looks like a purple only.
Okay. Okay. So here,
Yes,
are you ready?
Yes.
So next is you're going to
Water.
we're going to put food coloring inside the water, inside the bottle.
Try this one.
Color blue first.
Really good.
Okay. Slowly na. Sorry, ah. Okay, sorry. Okay.
It's really small.
What? Dirty?
Yeah, no, small only.
Okay, then.
Look, mommy.
Okay, you shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Shake, 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 shake,
This is
shake.
color
Looks
green.
like jingle bell, like that. But the other one is to ice one. The other one.
Nah.
What? Look, mommy.
Shake this one.
This one looks like black, but green is black one.
It looks black already, no?
Yeah, green is black.
Okay, this one shake.
What
color is that?
Blood.
Red.
Looks like blood. Looks like blood.
Looks like blood.
Here, look, mommy.
Wow. Okay, and the last one is, what color is this?
Orange.
Orange.
Looks like orange juice.
Orange juice. But you're not going to drink that, huh? Vinegar.
Let mommy.
Wow, okay. So this one first?
Yeah.
Okay.
And put the flour there.
Yeah, yes. Next is you're going to put the flowers inside the
Only
bottle.
one color, no luck.
This one?
Or
Okay.
my hand.
Put inside.
Push, 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 push.
Okay, there. Here. Okay, that's done. Next, what color?
Green.
Green. Only two? So color green is done. Next, color red.
I know I need to.
Okay, this one. What do you say?
I do here, guys.
Okay, here. Put inside. Slowly. Color red. And next is orange.
And auntie also did that.
Okay. Here. There enough? Okay, we're done. So what are the colors again? Orange,
Red,
red,
green,
green, and
blue.
blue. Very good. So how many bottles?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Four bottles. Very good.
Top. Flowers.
Flowers.
That's
20 man. 20 flowers. Do I have to count the flowers? No? Yes? You go count.
1, 2, 3.
Louder.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, very good. So, what's next? We're going to leave this for 24 hours
Yeah.
and we're going to wait what's going to happen tomorrow. Okay?
Color.
It will color? Well, we'll see. Okay? So, bye. See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Bye. Say bye.
Boom.
Bye.
I
Go
close
cover.
her hand. I have a channel.
Cover there
Boom.
the camera. Baby.
Twenty-four hours later.
So, we're back. Yesterday, Zaylee, we placed white flowers in a container with food coloring, right?
Yeah.
So today, what are we going to do?
Flowers.
No, we're going to show them the result.
show them the
Okay,
result.
so here.
Do it also.
Look. Wow, look at that.
It's us already.
Sorry, what happened to the flowers?
It's blue.
It's color blue
But
already.
its eyes is blue.
How about this one?
It's red.
It's red.
Because of the blood.
It looks like a blood. This one, it's green. Look.
Green is the water.
Water. And this one, what color?
Orange is
Oh yeah, but it's yellow. Look, it's yellow.
yellow. Is
It's nice, right?
yeah. Yellow
See?
is water
Yay.
also.
Yellow is water?
Yeah.
How about blue? Blue is
Ice.
ice. How about red?
Red is but it's blood, but it's
Blood.
inside is the same.
And how about green? Green is
Water.
water.
But
Green is water.
But this one is the same
Earth.
black
Green
man.
is earth.
But the
No,
same black man.
No, that's green. It looks black.
No, but it's the same also man.
This one, it's red.
It's
See?
also brown. I see the brown one. And this
there
one
under?
is brown. Is the same.
Yeah.
But
okay.
the other one is but the other one is orange. But
Orange.
that one is going to eat that.
You're going to eat that?
Yeah.
The fruit. You
Yeah.
like orange? That's
Yeah.
your favorite fruit?
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you like the flowers? Look.
I like the toy.
How about the flowers?
And the flowers eyes.
Yes.
Eyes of flowers.
Yeah, so it's very nice, right? So, what are you doing? So these are perfect gifts for Mother's Day, right, Zaylee?
Yes.
Are you going to give this to mommy?
Yes.
Ah, thank you.
And this one is for Zaylee
Yeah.
and Mommy.
Okay. How about the red one? Zaylee also.
This is for Auntie.
For Auntie. And how about the green one? How about Uma?
That one is for Amma and Mommy
Okay.
and Zaylee.
Okay, careful. Okay, so that's it.
Yeah. I'm going to go and look out today.
No, not today.
I'll be there.
So that's it for this vlog. Please don't forget to
Like, share, subscribe, click more button.